This is the Yamaha YPR-20. It's a vintage digital piano. I got this for free from Facebook Marketplace with 4 more vintage keyboards. So let's see what we have here. Here we have 5 voices: piano, piano 2, E-piano, harpsichord, and vibes, volume control, and on-off switch. On this side we have a demonstration button, MIDI/transpose button. On the back we have an input and output for MIDI controller, a damper jack for the pedal for sustain, and on the other side we have the DC jack, which is 9V to 12, center positive, headphones, and auxiliary output left and right. Left and right. So this is a 9V adapter. Let's hook it in and test it. Okay, power on. LED lights on. And this is piano 1. There's no sustain because you need the pedal to hold the sustain. It's touch response, so if you press soft, the sound is soft. If you press harder, it will be louder. It's piano 2. E-piano. Harpsichord. Vibes. And that's all the sounds. It's a digital piano, so that's all. The demonstration, you have 5 sounds, one for each of the sounds. To play the first demonstration, you can hold the piano 1 and press, and it will play the piano 1. To play the second demonstration, we hold piano 2. Same thing with the third E-piano, which demonstration will be in E-piano. The fourth one. And the vibes, the 5th one. And if you press the demonstration by itself, it will play all the demo songs one by one, and it will keep looping. For the MIDI controller, if you press piano 1 and press the MIDI button, you hold the MIDI button and press piano 1. Now it's in MIDI mode, so there's no sound coming out. All the signals will go through the MIDI ports. Hold it again, press piano, and it will work. For transpose, you press this, and I'm not sure. Some keys, yeah, there are some keys you press. Well, we are not interested in that today. We will take it apart and see the circuit board, and we'll give it a clean later. Battery compartment. I'm glad there are no batteries here, no leaky batteries. By the way, it's a heavy keyboard, unlike modern synthesizers and modern keyboards. Very light. This one is very heavy. I think it's made in the 80s. I'm not sure. So we got 3 screws. Long ones goes in these middle holes. Thick ones goes in the back and to the corner there, and short ones goes in the front. Okay, let's disconnect this ground wire. So here we are. Hard piece falling from here. We have glue everywhere. Big metal sheet, that's why it's heavy. Speaker bolted in. We have a cavity here for the acoustics. And this is the main board. I can see there are more chips on the back. Dip sockets, dip chips. Let's disconnect the speakers. These are the speakers, and this goes to the battery. I'll leave the battery for now. Got the power switch. Okay, so this is LED, not the power switch. The power switch is here. Okay, so let's see what kind of chips we have here. There is one spot for a chip here, but it's not populated. I found these broken pieces inside, but I'm not sure which keys they're coming from. I think they're there for the keys, but I don't think it affects the functionality. All the keys are looks okay, so we'll not care about this now. Let's put it back together and give it a clean. We have this here. I don't know if this is a date code. Is it the 21st week of 1980s, maybe 1980? I don't see any others. There's a date here on the plastic. It says September 1990. So it's made in September 1990. That's the mold. So it's not from the 80s, it's from the 90s. So this is it, the Yamaha YPR-20, a digital piano from the 90s. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like, and if you didn't enjoy the video, please tell me why. See you in the next video.